If you have an upcoming live shopping session, you definitely need to find out how to add products to your channel. Even if it's quite intuitive, we've decided to share with you this step-by-step video tutorial. First, log into your Streams.live account and select the blue Setup button to customize your event. To enable the live shopping feature, go to the Product step and toggle the Live Product Shopping option. To add a product image, simply press on the plus sign above where it says Add Photo. Afterwards, you'll be able to upload an image from your device's memory. Next, add your product's name in the box where it's written My Product Name. For each added product, you have the option to insert a link. That's where your viewers will be redirected after they press the Buy Now button during the live shopping session. Simply copy and paste that link, which might redirect them to your website's checkout page or anywhere you feel like it's relevant.